Holy shit.
Wow.
Le dije que le iba a hablar por eso. ¿Te puedo llamar?
Want to call?
Sí.
Okay.
Miguel. Miguel. Sí.
Lock.
Miguel, quieren hablar contigo.
Miguel, policía.
Deja ahí los perritos. Traen una
Out.
orden. Una orden. Yes.
Go.
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 And there's nobody else in the house.
No me das
No.
mis lentes que están en la bolsita.
¿Para qué los dejaste?
Let's take them to the street. Let's get a pole in
Necesita
case
los
the dog
lentes.
comes out.
Necesitas los
Get 'em
lentes.
later. Go. Go.
Tienes que agarrar todo, Miguel. Tenías que agarrar tus cosas.
Before we open the door, let's get like a dog pole.
¿Puedo hablar con usted?
No. Un momento, okay?
Yo puedo darle los perritos. Yo se los puedo dar.
He's going to come translate here when he
Oiga.
gets done with this call. But the warrants
Oiga.
have been approved, so
Yo
here you
puedo
go.
dárselo.
Think we'll open the door.
I would just catch him as we
We'll just hold cover on the door, and then any dog that comes out is.
I think what we're gonna want to do first is go in and get as many photos as we can.
Okay, we're gonna secure it first,
Yeah.
and then. But I know dogs and a lot of animals
yeah.
are probably gonna run out,
Yeah.
so we're just gonna we're gonna make sure it's safe. Okay. Do you guys want to leave the truck there? This will be good for you as far as resources
Yeah,
go.
let's just
Okay.
close these.
Come on in. We don't know what's in the house. Unleash the crap show at you guys. Yeah, we're gonna just hold cover. We'll do announcements. We'll let dogs come out, and then we'll do our best to just secure as many dogs as we can, or animals that are just inevitably gonna run at us with them. But we need to just hold cover on the door. You cool with that?
Do you not want to clear it first, just in case there's anybody in there?
Well, dogs are gonna run out, so at least they can help us secure some out here, so it's not so chaotic. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So everything that I heard were small.
Okay, cool. So no like.
Take them if you need to.
Okay.
You shouldn't need to actually make contact.
Holy shit. Ogden City Police! Search warrant! Come to the door!
There's like 40 right now. Ogden City Police! If you're inside, make yourself known. We have a search warrant.
I was expecting like pit bulls, dude. Just keep going so we can push in. OPD, if you're in here, make yourself known! Hey, Timo, you want to back out? You want to mask up? This is bad, dude.
Like
Ammonia.
our masks?
Yes. Holy fuck. Oh, I'm gonna go put my gas mask on. That is,
My eyes burn.
dude, the ammonia is not good, bro.
We have hazmat suits in our trucks.
Oh, no,
You guys might need them.
Well, we are, but
you definitely,
That's what we need.
you want your gas mask?
We're gonna get our masks.
I mean, it's never zero. It's never zero.
Oh my gosh.
There's grab your mask. Grab your mask.
I just want to make it fast, and I don't want to go slow. Good Lord.
suiting up.
I show you,
Go.
pura de prueba and kids, I give it to you the dog. I give it.
Ugh. Un momento.
There's no bed in it.
Dude, that's unbearable. It was burning my eyes.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm gonna go in as far as I can, but I ain't got a face.
Whew. That's some crazy crap, dude. Okay, we're gonna go half.
Quick, let's go. Yeah.
Open it, search warrant! Open it, search warrant! Open it, what was that? All clear. OPD, search warrant!
No, it's screwed in. It's screwed.
That's the front door.
Alright, back out.
Are we clear?
Yeah.
No upstairs? Yeah. What's up?
Yeah.
Are we good?
Yeah. Go.
All clear.
No, there's like 100 dogs in there.
The mouse coat.
Oh yeah. It's bad.
The one that got away.
Like it's like Vicks vapor rub. Like all in the air. Yeah. So it's mostly dogs. Once you start coming this way towards the front of the house and wrap around to where the front door is, there's a room on that side. There's mainly all cats in there.
How many?
10.
Okay.
And they're little kitties too. So I mean, there's just a bunch of stuff stacked up everywhere, and they're on top of it, on things, underneath things. So there could be a lot more.
Okay.
There's just stuff all over.
Yeah. I don't know how to keep my gloves tucked in. There's nowhere. Okay.
So they seem friendly? They seem like
Yeah.
they were just sniffing you guys.
Yeah, just sniffing, just kind of jumping up on
So it
us.
doesn't.
I don't think we need pupils now.
No.
Okay.
Like, how do you guys go about doing this?
We just start loading. And we have someone with a trailer coming.
Like into like kennels or like?
Yeah,
our
we've
kennels.
got kennels in our trucks, and then we've got a horse trailer coming.
That
with kennels.
that's more than just the pet issue. That is a health hazard. The fact that they're living in there.
Yeah, that's. Yes.
Animal control began removing each dog from the home one by one. Over 175 dogs were found. The manager documented the horrific conditions inside with photos.
That only lasts for a minute.
Huh? Yeah.
This only lasts for a minute. Thank you. There's about 3 moms with babies.
I got some of them dog bodies for nails.
Did you go all the way up
Up where? To the front?
to the front?
I got to the front, but not up.
Oh, like it wraps around.
Yeah, it's like blocked with a board.
Where, in that front room where those cats are?
I didn't see any cats.
Okay, yeah, there's a bunch of cats.
Yeah, I didn't turn on any lights or anything. I just did a quick walkthrough. Like on that corner over here. 'Cause this is the front door.
Yeah, there's a room. There's a room right over here with a bunch of cats.
Yeah, the light was off. And
It is dark if you don't have a flashlight.
just that right there.
Oh my gosh.
That times like 10.
They're all up on these mattresses here. There's another room right here that's full of mattresses.
In total, over 175 animals were rescued from the home. Miguel Salgado Vargas now faces a staggering 637 charges, including animal cruelty, public nuisance, and multiple licensing violations. Each charge carries potential fines and jail time, making this one of the most extreme animal hoarding cases ever documented in Ogden. Write a comment below.